Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto Wolf channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news, and everything in the crypto space. I talk about product review, coins review, the ones that are trending on CoinMarketCap. I just tell you guys information, and I make videos every day. Una know me now, I know they tired to make video. Yesterday I know to make plenty, I just make like 2, but today, una go watch video, una go tire. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, we are currently 4,530. Now abeg, please subscribe. Just press that subscribe button and turn the bell post notification on. You get why? So that the day we are going to be making money in this channel, you will not be sleeping. You understand what I'm saying? So like I always do, when you see me start speaking in pidgin, it is only one thing that is doing me, and that is Wakanda Inu. Inauni Yakasua Wakanda Inu. Now I don't bring home. Make I talk am for una wetin dey happen for Wakanda Inu. Wallahi chala, if you are holding it for Wakanda Inu, I know say your body go dey do you age him. Just hold your heart, hold am, no fear. If you can be in Buhari economy and you are surviving, Wakanda Inu cannot do you anything. You understand what I'm telling you? You know say everybody dey hold am for American dog, Shiba Inu, Kuma Inu, Saitama Inu, everything Inu. You say you want to hold am for African dog, bingo, Wakanda Inu. But African dog is the best dog in the world. Make it not be like say me, I know they support am for Wakanda Inu. I will just say it the way it is. I will give you guys the chart. Don't take anything personal. I just want to make the video dey sweet, make you dey laugh. But if the thing can't dey touch you, you can't dey take am personal. I will tell you, Oga, you don't need to be angry. Focus more on your money you want to make and leave the Wakanda Inu for where they do the content, make we dey do our thing they go. You look at this chart, you see this chart where I dey screenshot, I dey show you Wakanda Inu, it is down minus 4.7%. And you know, the thing is going down. It has been going down and be going down and be going down and be going down. But Kawi, you don't need to be worried because Wakanda Inu they do it for dance party. People are dancing to make Wakanda Inu more popular. You know, for now they don't get anything they are doing, so they are not making noise. They are advertising for Twitter and TikTok. They are doing giveaway. They are doing Dorime, and they say they go to do bomb party. That bomb party, when they burn it for the Wakanda Inu go up. For people who don't know Awoki language, I'm going to go back to the refugee. So on the latest news in Wakanda Inu today, guys, I'm just going to go through and tell you guys all the updates we did for Wakanda Inu matter, because there are so many things happening right now, and people have started talking about the Wakati. You know, they said they were going to have an NFT marketplace. NFT marketplace where they never create. Chris Ani, this guy is one of the founding fathers of Wakanda Inu. So if anything happen, he's one of the people that you people should know. He was been pushing Wakanda Inu. He said the NFT marketplace will be a bomb. Okay, first calm down. We know it will be a bomb. Don't overhype it. Let it first come out so that we will know. Because there are different type of bomb. We have knockout, we have banger, and we have grenade. Let us know. I really love the Wakanda Inu project. I really support Africans do what Africans are doing. But honestly, guys, I just need to be as honest as possible. I don't want to come and be overhyping the projects, and I don't want to come and talk down on the project. I basically just want to be factual, guys. So that being said, let's keep moving. Somebody said I bought my last set of Luna at $18 some months back. The guy dropped to $3.91 during the last market sell-off. I still had and I lock it on Terra Station. I just opened my Luna wallet. Please, how much is the OPSG? I don't vex. Next year, I go use Wakanda Inu money. The guy's right. It's the same Chris guy that was saying that he bought Luna at some point. The thing went down. He logged it. He let. Now the thing has gone up. So he's just trying to tell you that if you are holding Wakanda Inu and it's going down, you should need to hold it and come back. The question I'll ask you is Luna a shit coin or a solid project? And it's Wakanda Inu a solid project or a shit coin? See, I've seen many instances where shit coins become so big and they become solid projects. And look at the case of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is a case study. You know, the guys around SafeMoon, they are really working very hard, and there's a lot of things that might most likely come out from SafeMoon, probably from December this year to next year. You know, if you are following all the news and all the trend with SafeMoon and everything they are doing, makes sense. But Wakanda Inu, for now, it is too early for Wakanda Inu to start. Let us start making profit first. People that entered early had made profit. We that are entering now, let us make our own before we now start talking about NFT. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because look at the way the matter is now. While we are still trying to push Wakanda Inu, some people have created baby Wakanda Inu. Then you now have the step brother of Wakanda Inu, and you now see the family members that neglected Wakanda Inu. Before you know, so many Wakanda will come. Even the Black Panther will now be confused. You will not know where he belongs to. So guys, still on the matter, I'm not going to go to the bomb party. There is a very good news. The one way still dey sweet me pass now the fact say Wakanda Inu want to do party after party. Woo! Party after party, after party after party. Party scatter as I enter. People yakpa. They say Wakanda Inu want to do 76% of their total supply in the next 4 days. This is one of the biggest bomb party I have ever witnessed this month. That's what I'm saying. Burning 76%. The way it is, so let me tell you guys the way it is. Somebody left a comment in my last video. He said, say Baba, this Wakanda Inu matter they talk. Say if they burn this thing, I am scared. The team up, even me too, I'm scared. But they are burning it. Let's hold on to that. And normally when they burn a token, they'll cancel some zeros, so the price will, become more valuable. The price will go up. We can make money, so let's stick to that one. And let's be praying everything works out the way it's supposed to work. But Wakanda Inu is burning 76% of their total supply in the next 4 days. If you are holding this token, don't sleep on it. In fact, the way it is now, I go just they follow up. So the idea of burning a token is that it will make the token more scarce. And you know the issue of scarcity, when there's scarcity of a thing, the price will go up. It will become more valuable, just like Bitcoin. But the thing is, Bitcoin is a solid project. Wakanda Inu has potentials, but at the moment is a meme coin, is a dog coin, bingo. Sorry, dog coin. I mean, so guys, when you're holding Wakanda Inu, take profit, yo. If this thing go up, take profit. I'm not saying that you should sell off everything. No, take profit and continue to have faith. If they say Wakanda Inu to the moon, you said you will drop emoji icon. Moon, we move. Now say you can't watch your money go up. Your money come down. You know, say anything will go moon, they always come back to earth. The law of gravity states that whatever that goes up will surely come down. Prick will rise, it must drop, and it will rise again. So as it rise, make sure say you comot some things so that when it drop, you no go dey feel bad. But then let's look at it. 750 trillion Wakanda Inu token to be burnt in the next 4 days, baby. This is huge. This is massive. You guys should get ready. This is like the biggest, as far as me I'm concerned, or the biggest stuff happening in the Wakanda Inu space, right? So the Wakanda Inu holders, I keep reminding you guys. Some people will go and sleep on that day. Something will happen. They will sleep. They will forget. When they wake up, the bond don't happen. The price don't go up. The thing don't come down. 2 days later, they will not remember. They will not start crying. But it will be on record. I was making videos every day reminding you guys. So if you make that money from the 750 trillion Wakanda Inu bomb party, I'm going to drop my account number. Just give me 30 December. You understand what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Somebody said we have 4 days to go to our massive Wakanda Inu token bond valued at $155 million. They want to burn $155 billion. And Buhari is borrowing money. Hey God. Nigeria youths. How will the government like you people? Okay, so with today's market price, you are burning something that does not have value. No, sorry, it has value actually, but people, it has value. It has no, Victor, be serious. It has value. We are going global. Wakanda Inu to the world. Yes. Somebody said Wakanda Inu, the hope of the near future. Of course, now it's the hope of the near future now. Africans to the world. Somebody said Wakanda Inu is a very good token with less than a month to its launch. It has more than 90k orders. You are getting there slowly. Get yours now. But even SafeMoon had 2 million orders. I'm still holding it. For now, all we can say is that Wakanda Inu has. You cannot call it a very good token. What makes it a very good token? It has 90k orders. It has potentials. It has potential of becoming a very good token. That is where I have issue with people. You cannot come and be telling me Wakanda Inu is a very good token. What are you going to call the solid project? What will you now call Shiba Inu? If Wakanda Inu is already very good, Wakanda Inu is a shit coin. Let's keep it like that. It's a shit coin, a meme coin that has potentials. When they begin to now unlock and unfold, then we will now say it's a very good token. Wakanda Inu's success, honestly, is in the hands of Wakanda Inu, especially the team, the guys behind the back door, because you now have a community. You have people that believe in the project. You have people that are ready to support you, people that have invested money. The Africans are behind you. So if they can just come up with something good, I'm telling you, this project has massive potential. That is why I have money in Wakanda Inu. But the way it is right now, apart from we are dancing on TikTok, we are shouting, we want to, okay, after the ball party, what next? We'll create an NFT marketplace. How soon? Because even them, they're just saying, it's going to be the bomb, it's going to be the this. Do work. Later, they not say they want to donate to charity. After that, what next? The roadmap don't finish. Do you get my point? This our roadmap is supposed to have chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, paragraph 5, paragraph 6. No, we not say we just dey move. Because once roadmap finish and nothing comes out again, the hype will come down. Once the hype come down, my brother, it is well. Somebody said, they rip me apart. Who rip you apart? Is it Wakanda Inu? No, Wakanda Inu cannot rip you apart. Come on, stop that. Somebody said this code has been on a decline, massive decline. He choke. Oh. He choke. Don't worry. After the bomb party, we will bounce back. Hold it. They said you should hold it. Just hold it like Nike. Just hold it. Don't be scared. Hold it. After the bomb party, quickly sell off. Don't sell everything. But let me tell you the truth. The truth is, majority of people holding this token, they are going to dump. That's the honest truth. Let's be honest, because people that are holding the token from experience, they want to make profit, they want to make fast money. That's it. They say, but if this bomb party works the way it's supposed to work and the price actually goes up, after burning that quantity of the token and it skyrockets, a lot of people are going to dump. That's the truth. Let's not pretend as if we don't know. It had happened in the past. Orders are increasing, market cap is reducing. Why? People that bought early have sold out. Many of them have sold out. They're just leaving small quantities. So the truth is, people are going to buy. The orders will increase. 90K orders, big deal and everything. Once the bomb party happens, a lot of people that understand this crypto game will take profit. There's some will not be encouraging you to hold. My brother, I don't tell now for you. Sell off some quantity of this token. I'm not saying sell everything. Sell off some. Don't see profit and leave profit. The money where we say you will be profit, now profit for market until you withdraw them. It never be your money. As you can see it go, you will see it come down. Okay, so guys, I don't have anything to say about Wakanda Inu, but if you believe Wakanda Inu is going to take us to the moon, just comment Wakanda Inu to the moon. Wakanda Inu born party is on December 7th. So after that one, you have enough money to celebrate Christmas. All things being equal. Somebody said if you burn them all after it has fallen so low, its value will not increase. Hey, God do. I know this thing, but I don't want to talk. Let's be positive. What, oh ye men of little faith, what happened to that West? Have faith. They are going to burn it and let's hope it increase. If it doesn't increase, to God be the glory. But if it increases, take profit. I think this is where I'm going to stop this video because there's so much to talk about. So many hype around Wakanda Inu, but let's just be realistic sometimes, and it's from the angle of realistic. I dey talk from, guys. So 4 days to the Wakanda Inu bomb party. December 7th is around the corner. I hope we get ready and get prepared. I would like people in my community to make a lot of money from this thing if the bomb party works, because the price is actually going down. Let's hope that it takes us to profit, then we'll make some money from it and all. And that being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Wakanda Inu to the moon. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.